Okay, so here I am in a completely empty level. Here, if we look in the world outliner, we see there's really nothing there at all. So let's add a light so we can see what we're doing. It really doesn't matter where you add a directional light. It really only matters the direction that it's pointed. And let's just start blocking out our play space here. So if we go over to geometry, grab a box. Let's go ahead and reset its location. So if I hit this reset to default, it's 0, 0, 0. And then in terms of its size, X and Y and Z, let's just say we want 500 by 500 and then make it about maybe 10 units thick. That looks like a floor. If you come up here to box brush, it's always helpful to name this. In our case, it's floor. That seems fine. I mean, really, we can move some stuff around. I mean, in terms of our player, she is going to be, let's go to basic, let's do a sphere. Right. Yeah, maybe about that size. So at least to start. So I think maybe 500 by 500 is not the best. Let's go ahead and do 1000 by 1000. That'll work, right? Yeah, that gives us some room to play around. All right, and let's add some walls. I feel like that would be a good thing for us to be able to test some collision. So same thing, the box, although in this case we want to make our Y value 10. And then maybe we don't have it so high. Instead of 200, maybe 150. Okay, something like that. And then the length of this is 1000, so we can go ahead at least on two sides and go ahead and make it 1000. That's great. And we're going to want to align this. So in my case, I'll just go to the top perspective. I have this box brush selected. I'll just hit F and bring me right there. I'll scroll a little bit and then just align it there. That's not so great. It's not the best. So maybe instead of 10, make it 15. See if that will let us know. 12. This doesn't really matter. We can do 10. And we'll go ahead and just set our snaps to 5, which lets us snap it there. Okay. And then a little neat nifty trick, if I hold Alt and drag, and then middle mouse button here, sorry, right mouse button, holding Shift, I can, there, place it there. And then while I'm at it, I'm going to hold Alt, drag off that, and then this shouldn't be 1000. It should be 980, right? We get 10 minus both of those. Okay. And I'm just going to hit spacebar to put us in rotation mode. And then do 90. W again. And then we're just going to place this here. Make sure we're placing it in the right place. That should be fine. Yeah. And then we'll do an Alt and drag over. Check it out. Maybe go to the left view. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks okay. Let's go right in perspective. No. It needs to be moved down, so I'll just hold Shift here and, sorry, Control. And then move this down until we have a nice little box. Okay, move the directional light. Maybe we'll do something like this. So we have everything able to be seen. And then last, just to kind of finish up, I always like to build lighting. That way you kind of get a feel for what it's actually going to look like. And it's fast. And there we go. And so that's going to be our play space, at least for now. And if you want to go ahead and finish up, just name these. And we can name them all wall if we really want. Wall, wall, wall. You could do north wall, south wall, east wall, west wall, but at the end of the day, these will probably go away unless your game is kind of like an arena where you're in this little space here. All right, hope this was helpful.